Good morning, students. Topic is electrolytic cell. This is the definition of electrolytic cell. The phenomenon of chemical changes take place by application of electrical energy from an external source is called electrolysis, and the devices used to carry out electrolysis is called electrolytic cell. I repeat, the phenomenon of chemical changes take place by application of electrical energy from an external source is called electrolysis, and the devices used to carry out electrolysis is called electrolytic cell. I mean, everyone knows about electrolysis. To do the electrolysis, which device is used? That device is called electrolytic cell. And electrolytic cell means those cells in which electrical energy is converted to chemical energy. So those cells in which electrical energy is converted to chemical energy, that type of cell are called electrolytic cell. Electrical energy means energy coming from electricity. Chemical energy means energy coming from reaction. I mean, by applying electricity, you can do some chemical reaction, and that phenomenon taking place in electrolytic cell. So those cells in which electrical energy is converted to chemical energy, that type of cell are called electrolytic cell. Now, I will show you about the process of electrolysis. So, now I will do process of electrolysis. To do the electrolysis, first thing, you have to take a container. The container should be bad conductor of electricity, and this container is called electrolytic tank. This container is called electrolytic tank, and in this electrolytic tank you have to take first time you have to take the electrolytic tank, and in the electrolytic tank you have to take a electrolytic solution. Electrolytic solution means those solution which contain some positive ion and some negative ions. I mean, some electrolyte you have to dissolve in water, and in this electrolytic solution, this solution is called electrolytic solution. This solution is called electrolytic solution. In this electrolytic solution, you have to dip two metal rods, and these metal rods are called electrodes. These are called electrode, and both the electrodes are connected with a battery by using some metallic wire. This is the positive pole of the battery, and this is the negative pole of the battery. The electrode, I mean the metal rod, which is connected with the positive pole of the battery, is called anode. This metal rod is connected with positive pole of the battery, and the metal rod which is connected to the negative pole of the battery is called cathode. This is negative rod. So when you apply the battery, from the battery you can pass the electricity through the solution, and when you pass the electricity through the solution, as you know, solution contains some ions, some positive ions and negative ions. Positive ions will be attracted towards the negative rod, and the negative ions will be attracted towards the positive rod. And when they are attracted towards the positive and negative rod, the positive ion will gain electron, and the negative ion will release electron. I mean, some oxidation reduction reaction will take place, and B will be deposited here by loss of electron, and A will be deposited here by gain of electron. You know, loss of electron means oxidation, gain of electron means reduction. I mean, some oxidation reduction reaction taking place after passing electricity. So after doing this, A will be deposited at the cathode and B will be deposited at the anode. Like this way you can separate the A and B component. So this electrolysis is one type of separation method, and the device used to carry out this electrolysis is called the electrolytic cell. And here you have seen we have passed the electricity. After passing the electricity, some chemical reactions taking place inside the solution. I mean some oxidation reduction reactions taking place inside the solution. I mean electrical energy is now converted to chemical energy. Chemical reaction means it convert to chemical energy. So this type of cell in which electrical energy is converted to chemical energy, that type of cell is called electrolytic cell. So this is called electrolytic cell, and this process is called electrolysis. So first time you have to take one electrolytic tank which should be bad conductor of electricity. Then you have to take one electrolytic solution, I mean some electrolyte you have to dissolve in water so that it produces positive and negative ions. Then two metal rods you have to suspend in the solution, and the metal rods are connected with battery by using some metallic wire. Those rod which is connected with positive pole of the battery is called anode, and those metal rod which is connected to the negative pole of the battery is called cathode. After passing electricity from the battery, the positive ion will move towards the cathode and the negative ion will move towards the anode. When they move towards the cathode or anode, someone will release electron and someone will gain electron. Positive ion will gain the electron, I mean reduction takes place, and negative ion will release electron, loss of electron takes place, I mean oxidation takes place. So some oxidation reduction reaction taking place inside the vessel. I mean after passing electricity, some chemical reactions taking place. That's why electrical energy is converted to chemical energy, and this type of cell is called electrolytic cell. Thank you.